guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another group of entries. This is from my girl Anne. She's Crafty Kimchi here on YouTube and on Instagram. Again, I will link everybody's information down below. I saw this cute little, I think this might have been wrapped somewhere, but you know the post office, they're not nice. Maybe like this, I don't know exactly what, but look how cute this is. It's like a super thick heart that she did Nouveau drops on all of the little edges. Embossed this heart right here. Thickers, yes girl. Look, oh my god. It's a fuzzy heart, you guys, like a hard heart. So cute, girly. Love this little bow right here with the scallop detail. Very pretty. Oh, the way to my heart. Look at these gorgeous little Maggie Holmes. And it's that like ribbon style die from AliExpress. Look at this one. So she's layered it multiple times, puffed it up. Got the little scallop right there. Look at the feathers and the swan she added. Little trim underneath with some 3 sets of trim, I feel like. Look how cute that little bouquet of flowers is. Oh, something sticky. Maybe this went like this? I don't know. I'm just guessing now. Or like this. Maybe like that. Okay, next is this one. She's got the cute little tickets on there. Love this little chipboard piece on there. Layered a little flower behind there. Staples, enamel dots. Go girl. This one, I love this tiny little Ferris wheel. Those puffy little hearts that she hauls. Cute little stickers. Yes, girl. Super embellished. Look at this one with the little cotton candy stand. Look at that. She like blinged. I don't know if that's that glitterific stuff you guys have been using. I need to get my hands on some. Cute little bow. Love these, girly. These are so cute. And then next, more than 10 die cuts. She labeled it. It's got this cute little bags from AliExpress. The polka dots. Let's see what she said. Yes, girly. Okay. Ooh, we can never have enough. Like, I feel like these are perfect to just layer behind things. She cut out the little leaves. Look at this cute little tree. Love that tree. Some more leaves. Oh, yes, look. So it's like the hearts that she made the, where's it at? My thing with. She just layered them on top of each other. So cute. Totally using these to make some embellishments. And then she's got little stars. Look how cute. And then again, I could do that same concept with the stars. I love the shape of this star. It's like a wonky tall star. Then we have this star right here. Yes, girl, Maggie Holmes papers. Boom, boom. Super cute. Okay, thank you, girly, for playing and supporting your girl. Love ya. Rhoda. Let's see her entry. You guys. Black and white stripes is the weight of my heart. Look at this, how cute this ribbon is. She's wrapped something in tissue paper. I don't know what it is. Totally saving this trim. So pretty. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh my gosh, look at this little box. Okay, let's see. Or I don't know. I don't want to... It's, oh, this might be the back side. Oh, okay. So this is the front, and it's magnetic. And look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Hold on. Stand up for this one. Oh, her note's right here. That's her note to me. How cute. Oh, you're so sweet, Rhoda. This embellishment box is mine, you guys. Look at this. How freaking cute and unique. Look at. She decorated it with cute little like carousel theme stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys. Rhoda! Look at this. How cute is this? And where'd you get this box from? So we got cute little confetti that I'm going to try to like keep in here so I could reuse it. She's made 3 little handmade bows using that AliExpress die that everybody just loves. That little heart detail. Super cute. Oh. Save the confetti. Oh my gosh. And then look at, she decorated the bottom. She even put trim down inside in the bottom. And look at the Maggie Holmes paper. Look at this trim and the fun little stars in here. How cute is that? So fun and festive. Closes right back up. Look at this. Okay. Ticket to Fun. She's decorated it with like a doily and stuff on top. Look at the cute little confetti mix that not confetti, sequins mix that she made. And then look at these doilies. She's cut them out in like multiple sizes and all the good colors. So cute. Maggie Holmes papers. It's the balloon collection. Excuse me, guys, my throat. Oh, and then look how cute. She has these adorable little mason jars that she cuts out. And she was doing embellishment kits that she was having for sale. So I'll link her Instagram information down below so you guys could go check her out. And then look how cute these little Maggie Holmes bag toppers. There's lots in there. Oh, I don't want to have to take them out. Look at, yes. Love, love, love this paper. This is my favorite paper of Maggie Holmes' collection, that pink paper with the flowers. Super cute, Rhoda. Thank you so much. And this is like such a fun, cute way to send this stuff. Love it, love it. Shazzy, the papery box on Instagram and I think on YouTube. I'll have to triple check that. That's her little card. Okay, and then let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Look at these. Oh, wow. You guys, look at this. So she's, oh, wait a minute. There's something layered in there. Die cuts? Probably her die cuts. Okay, here we go. I could just take it out of here. Oh, okay. So she's got her embellishment on the very top. And look at you guys. The embellishments slide into this die. I have this die and I've yet to use it. So look at, it's like she embellished it all. It's got this cute little peacock on here. And then the first little tab has butterflies in gold and mint. I'm not mint, like teal color and pink, gorgeous. And then look at this little slit, has this gorgeous embossed flower, like scalloped circles. Look at the little bling. And then this one right here, I can take it out. So that's why she had it in there, so that it would stay in the pocket. Look at this gorgeous little heart. She embossed that. And then here's the bigger style of that mama one. And then look at these little borders in the mint pink and gold. Yes. Oh my gosh, love this. Fun way to like stick them in is just like put them in this thing. That's a good idea. Next we have this little rosette, and then she's got like acetate in there with some vellum, tulle. And this really pretty trim. I think that velvet might be from Hobby Lobby. She's got this gorgeous little Maggie Holmes flower. She stickled it up, added bling, did some rosette folding, little bow. So cute. And then look at these butterflies. Did you emboss these? I wonder. Look at, so they're on vellum and they're embossed butterflies. And then she added the little like butts and the antennas. How cute is that? And then this, I like how she drooped it down like in the corner. Little corner cluster. This gorgeous little bow. Find joy in the ordinary. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Shazzy, for playing. Love, love, love. Angela, she is Love Pink Dragonflies on Instagram. Let's see here. And look at this, you guys. I was opening it and then I was like, okay, I gotta show you guys. Look at how cute the little unicorn wrapping paper is, you guys. And this is her card. Look how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's layered so many times in different papers, and I think that adds like that much like extra. And it looks good, and the thread just hanging out everywhere. Very nice. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh. She made 1 million flowers. Wow, look at these. And this is the Maggie Holmes paper. She's got the little banner up here, the threads, the flower, the center. These are beautiful. And look how many you made. I know how long it takes to like put stuff together, assemble stuff, do the centers, like all sorts of. So thank you, I appreciate that. Spoiling me. Okay, look at these. Oh, look how cute these are. She like shredded the very bottom pieces of the layers. Right here, she's got it in that cute, like, polka dot AliExpress bag. It says, shine bright and love. Look at the little top. She sewed, like, a little row of, like, crepe paper. Is this focusing? Come on, camera. And look at the cute little flower, again, with the gem. And she made so many of those flowers that I can use that. I can make some. Did I go over these? No, I didn't. Okay, look how cute this mason jar one is. So she made, like, a little shaker with, like, a vellum overlay and stitched it on there. Hold on my camera. Got the little Maggie Holmes flowers and die cuts on there. Oh, love this. Loving this. Loving. Look at. Ah! It should say loving this. Yes, because I am. And I'm loving life too. Look at this. Gorgeous detail, girly. Super cute. And then last, oh wait, no, I still have a baggie. Second to last but not least, look at her butterfly that she had on her card. She made some, and even the edges are like dipped in gold, or what gold did you use to do that effect? I like that a lot. And then she's got thread peeking out behind some of the layers of the butterfly. Love that. And then look at, she just stitched it all wonky, and it like just makes it look that much like extra. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, last but not least, she has this little goodie bag. Oh my god, it felt way thicker than die cuts, but it's die cuts. Girl, you sent so many. Okay, look at this little tag, scallop tags. These gold leaves right here. Oh my gosh, look at this unicorn. He's so cute. And pink too. Love these tag shapes. This one's like a really tiny scallop detailing. Little bunny foo-foo, and it's stitched. Love that. Super cute. Oh, look at these leaves I can layer with. Yes, you can never go wrong with greenery, you guys. Pink little tags. Look at the little heart tag. Bunny foo-foo again. Tags. Cute little hanging tags. And then, oh yes. Love that paper from Maggie Holmes. More tags. Girl, you were a die cutting queen. Oh, look at this. I love this die with the little hearts cut out. So cute and dainty. I think, you know what? I think I need that die. Where'd you get that die? Then look at this doily die. Ooh, very intricate and pretty. And cut it out in multiple different like colors, polka dots. Oh, here's that heart twice now. And then another little doily. Thank you, Angela, for playing, and all the way from Canada. I appreciate it. Okay. But the package was pretty like rubbed off and stuff. I think it's from Mortensen. I can't really read. I can't see it. It's from Europe. So if this is from you, please comment down below. Because look how cute, you guys. Look at these little embellishments. So this is like a little puzzle piece that she decorated. It's got like little like eyelash trim kind of sticking out. Cute little flower right here. Look at this. She's got these little like stamen things, and then a applique on top of it. These are layered like hardcore, like 3 or 4 times. Gives it lots of dimension. And then another little flower, and then she's got the little shaker bits in there. And I love that glitter clear sequin as well. I need some of those. And look at the little top. She's got the little thread going through the button. So cute. And then we got some die cuts. Just all sorts of tiny little die cuts. Got little fish in here. That's what these ones are. And then let's see here. Oh, little puzzle pieces. You guys, that's what she layered and made that thick puzzle piece. Pastel colors. She's got the blue. Oh, how cute. It's like a little, almost like a window, like this, like a window tag. That's cute. Super cute. Look at this little heart. Oh my gosh, is that a seahorse? It is. How cute. Some more of those tags. And she's got these little frames. Love that frame. And she's got some little tags right here. Some more little taggy tags, it looks like. Cones maybe. Oh, look, these little birds with the flowers. Little teacup. Oh, how cute is she? Super cute. Okay, so if this is you, like I said, the envelope's beat up, so I can't see the return, what it says. So if this is from you, please leave a comment down below that this is your package all the way from Europe. Okay, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.